Greetings to all of you. This is KVGS Varaprasad from Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, RKVAC. Here I am presenting the work carried on pitting corrosion on stainless steel dish plates. This work is carried by me along with my friend Mr. Anand under the supervision of Dr. G. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, MME Department, RGKT, RK Valley, Andhra Pradesh. Generally, stainless steels are preferred for corrosion resistance applications. Stainless steel is an alloy having minimum of 10.58% chromium, which makes self-regenerative passive oxide film over the surface. The passive oxide layer is nothing but chromium oxide, improves the corrosion resistance by avoiding the direct interaction of the surface with the outside environment. However, under some environments, stainless steel also undergoes corrosion. The figure shown here will explain the same. This is due to the exposure of stainless steel material to biofouling and solid deposits in the chlorine environment. Under these circumstances, passive layer can break down at some localized spots, leading to localized dissolution called pitting. The characteristics of pitting corrosion is the formation of black spots and cavities, which can be seen here. The mechanism for the pitting corrosion is shown pictorially here. The passive layer, when subjected to the chlorine environment, undergoes a localized breakdown. Further, the oxygen depletion in that localized area prevents the repassivation. So the repeated cycle leads to the formation of pits and holes in the material. Here is the project we have taken in our institute. Ours is fully residential institute with 8,000 members students. We used to take food in the stainless steel plates. Initially these plates were very good and shiny, but after repeated usage we have noticed small black spots over the plate. Now students are refusing to take food in these plates and are asking for the replacement. This is an economic loss for the administration. We have taken this case and started our investigation to reveal the fundamental causes for the formation of these spots over the surface of them. A careful visual inspection revealed the scratches formed over the plate, which can be seen here in the image itself. Further investigation under Leica optical microscopy revealed the surface characteristics of these black spots at 50x magnification. One can clearly observe the cracks along with the localized dissolution observed under dark field imaging mode. Similarly, clear cavity formation due to continuous metal dissolution was observed under differential interface chromatography mode. These features confirm the occurrence of pitting corrosion in the present case. Then after we tried to investigate the reasons for pitting corrosion, it is observed that the used plates are cleaned on parts of the day. That is, morning plates cleaned at evening, afternoon plates are cleaned at night, and evening plates are cleaned at next day morning due to large number of students. For easy cleaning, they are soaking the plates in a water for about 5 to 6 hours. Similarly, soaked plates are washed by using steel scrubbers. It gives an indication that the mechanical damage of the passive layer is due to the cleaning of the plate by these steel scrubbers. These scratches that are formed over the plate are more energetic as compared to the bulk of the material and are anodic. This unfavorable anode to cathode ratio will promote the initiation of pitting. Further, the soaking of used plates in water promotes the oxygen depletion and hence prevent the regeneration of passive film. At the same time, the food particles in the used plate dissolve into the water and makes acidic environment, which was confirmed by the pH measurement. The pH value of soaked water is found to be 5.5, indicating the acidic nature. So the combined actions of the mechanical damage of the passivating film, oxygen depleted environment due to stagnant electrolyte and acidic solution leads to the localized corrosion on the surface of the stainless steel dish plates. This pitting is an intense attack and is autocatalytic in nature. So once it gets initiated, it is not possible to stop its propagation. Underestimating this problem may lead to the complete degradation of the material, and the material may become useless. And repeated serving in these plates may cause health issues too. So it is very much necessary to prevent this pitting action in the stainless steel displays from the both economic and health point of view. This can be done by avoiding the long time exposure of the plates to the stagnant water, that is by maintaining time to time cleaning, and which can be facilitated by the use of automatic dishwashers. Further, the use of sponge scrubbers instead of steel scrubbers has to be appreciated. We suggested these modifications to the mess management, and they are successfully implementing these steps in order to get rid of this problem. I am thanking all of you for providing this wonderful opportunity to share my experiences with all of you. And I am again thanking my guide Dr. G. Ramesh for his extended support and guidance provided during the project. Thank you.